Hello YouTube friends. Well, I have a unboxing here. I have just opened up the tape. This just came in and it is from Fossil. So that's a blast from the past, huh? So if that sounds good to you, keep on watching. Okay, so here we are. We have the Fossil box opened up here, and it's been a while since I bought anything from Fossil, but I have to say that I was watching a video from, I think her new username is Gratefully Blessed in This Mess. She is just adorable. I love her, and she's just a beautiful person inside and out. If you want to check out her channel, I'll try and remember to put the link in the description box, but she got this bag and she is used to bigger totes, and so I think she was kind of disappointed by the small size of this. On the other hand, I have this tote version. It's the Kingston tote, and I often want a smaller version of it just to wear day to day, and so this is the KINGSTON Satchel. So let's see. I love the way Fossil packages things. They've got really cute, see a little motorcycle and stuff. They've got a really cute box. Let me get all this out. Pretty, pretty. And I always include your receipt and everything in a cute little envelope. So let me get this box out of the way, and then you can look at the bag. And there it is, all wrapped up. Now, one of the things that I noticed on this is that on the website it did not say this was the Echo leather. And I've gone over this before, it just means how the leather was sourced. But I don't know, a lot of people really have mixed feelings on it, if it's real leather or not, and it is. But I was curious to see this one. This is just the regular leather. I didn't expect it to be pebbled for some reason. I thought it was going to be smooth leather, but that is pretty. I like this color. You can see it's just like a gentle pebbled leather, no feet. This color is camel, and the original price is $200. They had a good sale going on, so I got it for, I think it was right under $60, but then I had some sort of PayPal credit too, so I ended up paying only $45 for this, and I thought that is well worth it. So let me get this all unwrapped and then we'll look at it. Okay, so here she is all unwrapped. She's really pretty. Just not the leather I was expecting, so I'm feeling a little bit underwhelmed because I just wasn't expecting pebbled leather. I don't think they said that in the description. But it's a cute bag. When I was unboxing it, I was looking for the little key charm. I was kind of disappointed there wasn't a key, but on my other Kingston there is not a key either. And then I think the handles, they still do these in PVC. So the body of the bag is all leather, and then the handles are PVC, and it looks like the strap is leather as well. So let me do the dimensions on this baby. They are 10 across by about 8.5 high and 5 wide. So it's a boxy little baby. And let me compare it for you to my Kingston tote. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. So now my Kingston tote is much taller. And I think a lot of people in the reviews were going by Fossil's description on their site, which was wrong. They seem to have the dimensions of the Fossil tote in the satchel section instead. And I still use this tote all the time, so it's not stuffed or anything. It's looking a little wonky, but let's see. The tote is going to be 11.5 tall and 13 inches across at the bottom. And the depth on the tote is 4.5 inches. So I'll put them side by side so you can see the difference. Here's the tote, and here's the satchel, much smaller. There they go. Much smaller. The satchel's cute though. I mean, it's kind of like a, I don't know, I want to say it's kind of like a Rogue 25 size maybe. That is cute. So also what I want to do is see what fits in this, because I'm moving from one fossil bag to another. So let me get that out of the way here. Got too many moving parts. Okay, so here's the satchel, and then right now my bag that I've been using this week is my good old trusty Rachel satchel by Fossil. This has a little key, and this is in the color Spruce, which is absolutely beautiful. And I guess this too has the pebbled, it has the same finish. It's just that I think maybe when this one gets conditioned and broken in, after a while it'll look better, because this one, as I remember, looked pretty stiff to begin with too. I don't know why I'm always picturing that this is not textured, but it really is. So in this Rachel satchel, let me move this down a little bit. There we go. And excuse the garbage truck sound in the back room, it's trash day. So in the Rachel satchel, what I did with it is I have it really packed full, but I have a Speedy 25 organizer inside. So it does work and it fits really well, but I actually prefer these without the organizer. I just feel like I can get a lot more, I don't know, into them without it. So let's see here. Inside here we've got the little care booklet that came in there. That's nice. It's got a zippered pocket on the back, 2 slip pockets on this side. Let me pan out a little bit more. There we go. And then you've got a zippered middle section here, which is pretty narrow to get things into. So we'll see how it works out. Okay, so things I must take with me. First thing is my wallet. I'm going to do a video on this one later. It is their gift with purchase recently from Coach Outlet, and it's really cute. It's a little corner zip wallet, but it also has a key ring on it that you can snap out. Got a pocket on the back, and then it's just kind of like a card holder inside. Now the funny thing about this is that the colors that they had listed, it was, I think, gunmetal with terracotta, and the picture of it was a metallic gunmetal leather case. So that's what I bought, and when it came I was shocked because it is just terracotta, and then the gunmetal is, you know, here. I don't know why they had a picture of a completely different one, but anyhow, I have my wallet, so that's what I usually would keep in the zippered area. So put that in there. Yep, it's fine. And then also in the area I would normally keep my glasses to keep them safe. So they're just in this. Put that in there. Oh, that fits fine. Yeah, that's good. And maybe even my keys. My keys aren't in here right now, but I would put my keys in there too. And I have some tissues, and so normally I would put the tissues in one of these back pockets, and that fits just right. There we go. I have a whole makeup bag in here. Let me see if that'll fit. This is a pretty roomy little satchel. Yeah, fits fine. And then I have my Louis Vuitton Agenda PM, which I always have with me, and I'll put that on the other side. Oh, lots of room. I was really expecting this to be smaller. I have my pill case, put that in here as well, next to the agenda. Maybe I'll just stand up my agenda. And let's see, security, put that in there. My little dress up your purse coin pouch with coins in it. Maybe I'll put that in the center. You know what I like about this is that the center doesn't seem to balloon out like some of these do with the center portion where it starts encroaching on the rest of the bag. It doesn't seem to be doing that. Got some gum, and I have my little Vachetta Kirigami here. Put my gum in the other little pocket here. This is really cute with this. Look at the color. That's a really good match. Kind in a vachetta and vachetta color, although this is called camel. I wonder if I could hook it on here somehow. That's cute. Let's see if I can hook it. No, I think this is too small. Well, I'll just slip it in here for now, because there's room. Oh, it looks like I've gotten pretty much everything out of here. I already have gum in there, so I don't need an extra gum. Maybe it does hold as much as the Rachel. Wow, it does. I got everything out. Oh, I have this. From Teeks, the little pouch. That fits right in there too. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is one of those that I was not expecting to happen. Everything fits in there perfectly. Look at that. Wow. Can I still snap it? Yes, ma'am. And then it's got this for your phone, which I'm recording on right now, so I'm not going to take it out, but look at that. Now there's no pocket on the back side, just on the front. All right. Hey, I like this. So this is going to be the bag I'm going to be using this week, or for at least the next several days. Very cute. I'm excited. Okay, so the Kingston Satchel does fit as much as the Rachel or the Sydney. That's amazing. Very cool. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.